Okay. I like this. This is cute. Fireplace built in. Oh, it's a little half bathroom. Oh, that is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, so cabinet space. Does it have a dishwasher? Yes, okay. I love the table. So this would just be stepping directly in.
Different little one room area.
But this space would still be.
Yes. And that's the pantry right behind that door.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. That's a decent size. That's enough. Okay. All right. So you come up the stairs, and there's, I guess, a way to go down the hall over there. The room over there, and then there's a room over here. So you come into this room. Get a little closet. It's a cute size. Probably definitely could get, you probably can get a king bed in here. You turn it the right way. It's a cute bathroom. Love the counter space. It's nice and open. Love that. And you can walk through. Oh, look at there. Now, ain't that cute? This is so cute. Oh, it's a closet. It's not that big, but I guess if it is a child's room, you could. So, yeah. And then you come out the other side. All right. Get a linen closet. Oh, okay. Washer and dryer to the hallway. Okay. Doesn't, with the doors open, doesn't give a lot of room in this hallway to have laundry baskets and stuff. But it's okay. All right, so this is the master. Okay. This is cute. Got like a vaulted ceiling. This is nice. This is probably a queen size bed they have in here. I'm pretty sure a king would fit. The little sitting area. Oh, look at the bathroom. Oh, it's so cute. I love the counter. Okay. Shower pan. Oh, look back here. All right, so a toilet. You have a water room. Okay. And then you come down the hall. And you get a walk-in closet. I would say this townhome is enough space for like, this is enough space for one. I can't really see husband and wife trying to share that closet. For real, for real. I mean, it's a double sink, so you can share the sink. But as far as clothes go, Yeah, you have to really work out that furniture or use one of these bedrooms if you don't have kids. Use one of these as maybe a spare closet, like use that room down there maybe as a spare closet or something down there. So, but this is nice. All right, going back down the stairs.